There's nothing like the rush of adrenaline you get from hitting the slopes. And with the genuine Audi ski and snowboard rack, you'll be able to transport your skis in a safe and secure manner. First, make sure you've properly secured your vehicle's roof bars. To get started, unlock the end of the ski and snowboard holder and open it. Inside, you'll see 2 holes. From underneath, insert the 2 T-bolts into these holes and lightly screw on the Allen nuts. Then, close the ski and snowboard holder. Open the cap on the roof bar and slide the T-bolts into the T-slot of the roof bars. Open up the ski and snowboard holder and tighten the Allen nuts using the Allen wrench provided. Now, place your skis or snowboard in the open holder. Be sure the tips of the skis point to the rear and there's enough clearance for you to open the trunk. Close the holder and lock it to secure the skis in place. You're now ready for your next ski run.